So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make your Telegram account private. So for this, first of all, open your Telegram application and then simply tap on the three lines which is available in the left top side. Here you have to tap on the settings option and then simply scroll down your page, and here you will get to see option of privacy and security. Simply tap on this privacy and security option, and friends, here you will get to see option of phone number. So simply tap on phone number option, and friends, here you have to tap on nobody, and here only select my contacts, and then simply tap on tick option, and here in the last seen and online tap on this option if your last seen and online is selected to everybody. So then select tap on the nobody and then tap on the tick option. Like you can see, if you select, like if by default if everybody is selected, then you have to select nobody and then tap on the tick option, because in my Telegram this option is already selected. And after then tap on the profile photos option, and here you have to select nobody and then tap on the tick option. And guys, you will get to see option of forward message calls. Select nobody and then tap on the tick option, and here you will get to see option of date of birth, gift, bio, invite. You can, friends, select according to your privacy requirements. You can select nobody, contact, or everybody according to your requirement, and then back this page, and here you will get to see option of chat settings. Simply tap on this option, friends. Here, friends, you can customize your chat, like you can see this kind of. So friends, by following all these steps, you can also make your Telegram account private.